EBIYIA bune nchiremo yo Gosiira chisemi imeyense mu bunge ya Bomachoge Borabu wetera sokwagacha EBIRASI eriko baborokiwa hasagia yo gosoma wono nigo mujumbe bwenseme yo mwishimiwa Badia Barongo hanyariko bagako igora EBIRASI EBIYIA ebibere hase skuru ya MOKOMONI me wodi ya Magenche hamona KIRU ase wodi ya Bokimonge abu ase bono aborokia be Chisukuru echo ba kirimbu ya mono haso Gosiira na Gosiira yogo chia kubirenda bikonya aborokiwa hase EBIYA birobosi bunagotomanya muri kito Wycliffe Warenge
nigo yabeiro mweso guchia asaborokiwa be Chisukuru au imense mu bunge Bomachoge Borabu magega yo mujumba bo omoske no lifasono Badia Barongo kuigora bene EBIRASI bia Center of Excellence 12 ase skuru ya MOKOMONI kutoka imeye ward ya Magenche amane binde bitano bitatu ase skuru ya KIRU imeye ward ya Bokimonge ense mu bunge yo Chisukuru echo negative Chisukuru echo chiabere chiko chandeka ase kega tambe abo asaborokiwa barenge gosomera asabe nabono nigo baracheko kokera asagia yo soma imeye EBIRASI ebyo
niko twachirega ekenyoreke gekorokunga KIRU atwachirega KIRU kogokera ogokoro gwe skuru ya KIRU primary school ngakina chetega campaign abantu ba KIRU mbanderete sana nandekere nasote skuru eje manyene nabona rochenge skuru ye yarengese hali yarengembe no ligereria mabati na bakoranga mabati ali na nabo osukoligerega na bakoranga mabati ya bono EBIRASI byarenge gotokaga ebyarenge EBIRASI bikolekana bobe goetera rende CDF yaito ya Bomachoge Borabu tugatagore EBIRASI ebyo allocation yechi base kabeko ese building una moroje ninjo mujumbe ime ya Bomachoge ga ogochake project bune yachaka na indonye koraki eke maambi ntwarenge Magenche ward na inde kwetere committee ya CDF twakore sukuru ekorokunga MOKOMONI
kagokwana nabaralia magiga yo kubigole EBIRASI bibene ase skuru ya KIRU omujumbe bwensemo yebunge yo omoske no lifasono Badia Barongo nigasingira buna nali negangene yo kwenekia buna borokiwa nkonyora barasagia yo gosoma na kweneke buna nkogenderare ko biagacha EBIRASI byonsi biria bitanya kwera kwagachwa
into EBIRASI na onyembiri bitenenete ase Bomachoge Borabu twabikolere byonsi asengenjo tonagotwara matombe atari gokonya bantu eko basara marakare abantu baminto ntagete kwakira Bomachoge mbiamono asengenjo eri bagamwangete ryoko bomojumbo ino na ninde determininga nyasa kara twanjere tosugume Chisukuru cheito erinde Chisukuru cheito chirabe nari gere Chisukuru ama bagarega nonyene wheelchair omonto obwato bolema ase gotware wheelchair akwega ndiga abweka paka soke ase ngenchondo mo engineer twamwire ngebinto tokorosi nebinto bikolekana bire engineer
omo director bwichisemi ase sub county ya Kenya nigo amwakira mujumbo Badia Barongo bunambu yemono asoko basira barokigwa elinde banyora sagia yogosomera abo asabasaba bayiboli bonsi bobwato ka barokigwa bayira na Chisukuru ekerochire iguriwe eikiego.
Most of the structures in these institutions were condemned, and as we reopen our schools for second term, that is next week, this one will enable our learners have a safe environment, a conducive one, because of the 8 classes that have been delivered today. By next week, let us ensure that all our learners, that is in ECD, early education, primary and junior school, attend the classes beginning Monday.
Kobwatera na koleo asegatie chisekta aoje serikali negentekia abu asomo DCC we sub county ya Kenya asaba kogendere kobao elinda masomo achibusio.
Education is one of the sectors that is very important to the government of Kenya. Money for education is the greatest sector that takes our budget. The constituency, supporting education is a very important function. So we really thank the MP for focusing on education to support so that our children can have a safe learning environment.
Omwalimu omonene bwe skuru ya KIRU niga akabunambye mono asokwa gachiro EBIRASI EBIYIA ase skuru eyo abwasate babuna nigo birachiko bakonya abana gosomera sagia abagokulia irabuna nigo barachiko birenda bibakonye ase kegetambe.
We are going to maintain these classrooms and we are going to use them effectively. We pray for you for the work that you are doing all over the constituents, and we believe that in future you will also look at the needs of the school as we shall discuss with you.
Bono nigo yatigire asabateraniri be Chisukuru au kweneka buna kubirenda bali birasi ebyo elinde bibakonye abakiwa bange ase byale birebosyo. Inko reporter ya Soko TV kurwa sense mu yebunge Bomachoge Borabu e county ya Kisii. Ereteriane Wycliffe Orenge.